Welcome to Draw Leaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to general management. After that just tap on language option. Now from here if you want to add your own language, just tap on add language option and then choose any language. If I select English, then select your region. If I select US English, then tap on keep current or set as default. I am just tap on keep current. Now if you want to set your own language, just select it and then tap on apply, and you can see language has been changed successfully. Also if you want to delete any language, just tap on edit, then select any language, then tap on delete option, then tap on remove, and it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.